Hey, so I am back with another video. So you guys, I just wanted to come today and show you guys another unit from the Stylist. It is from SAMSBEAUTY, so thank you so much, Sams, for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this new wig. Alright you guys, so today's wig is the Invisible Lace. It's the 100% human hair master mix, and this is the most realistic natural looking wig. It's a multi-directional parting with pre-plucked hairline and baby hair, and the style that I have today is Selena, and I have her in the OET1B purple. Alright, so let me go ahead and take her out the pack. This is what the wig looks like on the stock card. And I'm not sure I have the color of the stock card. I think the color I have, oh yeah, the stock card is in the Balayage chocolate lilac, which is a color that I've had in the past, and that color is really, really pretty. This time I got the OT purple. It's definitely cute. I like this color. I don't typically gravitate towards purple hair, to be honest. I really like peach colored hair. I think it looks good on my skin tone. I love blue hair. Blue hair is one of my favorite color of hair to wear, but I also like peach. I find that I do peach a lot, and I really like peach. And because I like to wear like peach makeup. So, usually when I wear peach hair, like I'll do a peach inspired makeup look, and it just looks really good together. But this one is purple, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace around the hairline, and then I'm going to show you guys the cap construction on this unit. Alright, so taking a look at the cap, it definitely has a lot of parting right in the center. There's a lot of parting here, but it doesn't really go far around the edges. It's just maybe like a ½ inch right at the edge, but the parting is deep on the middle. You're gonna get 2 combs on the side, you're gonna get 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable strap. I went ahead and connected that so that the wig fits a little more snug, and yeah, it looks like the wig is already like parted, but you clearly can part it anywhere you like. Now with these wavy and curly units, it's a little hard to change the parting, I'll be honest, because the curls do kind of clump together after you've been wearing it for a while. So let's go ahead and pop this on. Normally I would have laid down my own baby hairs. They're sort of laid down, but not too much. So we'll see how it looks once I put it on. I definitely love how snug it fits with the adjustable straps tightened. I love how it's fitting on my hairline. It looks really, really good and really, really natural, to be honest. It looks really, really natural. Some of my baby hairs are showing a little bit, and my sideburns are showing as well, but that's not like a deal breaker or anything. I just like how natural it looks. I like the part that it came with. Obviously you could change it. You could definitely change it. You wanted it to be like a middle part. I may just leave it the way that it is. Like I said, these curly units, you don't want to manipulate them too much. It can cause problems. Maybe I do want it as a middle part though. I think I am going to change it to a middle part, to be honest. Let's see how difficult it is to remold this, because it's definitely molded down. And see, this is what I didn't want to do, to maneuver the curls too much. Okay, that was pretty painless. So now obviously you have to deal with this hump that's been created, so you're gonna need to use your mousse and your hairspray to go ahead and lay this down. So I'm gonna get into that process. Also, a bristle brush really helps to remold the unit. I'm gonna grab my L'Oreal mousse. You can find this in your local CVS or Walmart. Brush it down one more time, and then I'm just gonna put one of my duckbill clips in to just hold it down. Hold it down. Who remembers that? That was so funny to me when that meme was going around. Hold it down. Okay. I'm even gonna put one on this side because I feel like it could benefit from it too. On this side. Love these curls. I think they're absolutely beautiful, and the color is cute too. Like I said, purple is never a color that I gravitate towards, but that's why I definitely wanted to try it this time, because it's never a color that I go for. So I was like, let me at least just try it and see. Now, I feel like you can honestly just wear this wig glueless with maybe just a little bit of baby hairs. I don't even think baby hairs are that necessary on this one. All right, so I think we can add a little bit of powder. Move this mousse out the way. Add just a tiny bit of powder. I feel like these curls can be just like slightly finger combed a little bit, so they're not so perfect. But yeah, this one is literally like ready to go out the box. I really like how she looks. I really like the density on it, very natural. I love the hairline. The hairline is definitely slaying. Yeah, the hairline is definitely slaying. I really like this unit, you guys. I'm gonna turn around so you can see this one from all sides. The density is really nice. The length is good too. It's like right at your mid back. Nothing too crazy. Hairline looks good. I like this one. This one is really effortless and doesn't take a lot to just look really good. So I would definitely recommend this unit. Try it out, you guys. Let me know what you think. Do you like the Stylist wigs? I definitely love them. This one is called Selena, and this one is in OET1B purple. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll also leave a direct link to where you can grab this on Sam's Beauty's website, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.